Hello all, welcome back. So in previous video of this series Python with Google Cloud, we already seen how we can create virtual machine using Python. So in this video, we'll quickly see how we can delete virtual machine using a Python. So the process will be mostly similar. I'll just show quickly how we can delete a virtual machine using a Python. So I'll go to first a compute engine page and we'll see the available virtual machine from which we can delete any virtual machine using a Python. So I have this instance 1, instance 2 and my instance hyphen internal. So I'll delete any one of these using my Python code. So I already have file created here. So in this case, we don't need to mention most of the input values. Only the instance name, project and zone are required, and we'll be using compute underscore client dot delete method. While creating, we use compute underscore client dot insert method. So in this method, we just need to pass a three parameters: project, zone and instance name. So let me give the value internal here. So we'll delete this VM which we created earlier, and now we'll execute the code. So it should give an error because we are running from root, but we'll go to the folder. Yeah, so let me go to the folder and run it again. Now this VM should be getting deleted. So let me refresh. Currently it is running. Let me refresh, and you could see this is getting stopped and it will delete shortly. Okay, so this VM got deleted now, and you could see deleted VM instance, my instance internal. So it was very quick video. So I'll share this code in the GitHub and I'll share the link in the description. So thank you for watching video. I will see further videos on Python with Google Cloud. So thank you for watching.